Hey there, you're watching Amita Verma. So what do you do when you've been around the house for days, what feels like weeks, and you've done every single project you think you can possibly do around your house? I've got one for you, the junk drawer. Today, I want to show you how I organized or really tidied up my junk drawer. It's still my junk drawer. There's still going to be junk in there, but I wanted to just make a little piece out of this and stop fighting with it because, quite frankly, we're always going to have a junk drawer, so I'm not going to fight it. So here you can see inside my drawer, I've just got an assortment of all kinds of things. I've got the kids' school directories, I think for the last 4 years. Of course, all the loose change that everybody brings in, pencils, measuring tape, all kinds of things. And so I want to make a little bit of order into this chaos. This is always going to be our junk drawer. So today I'm going to see how can I make it feel a little better as my family continues to drop these sorts of things into this drawer. Don't run away from it. And like I love to say, group and conquer. So I'm just going to create piles of similar things. Okay, these are directories. We tend to keep all the kids' school directories for play dates and getting hold of other families and teachers in one spot. We've got notebooks, school directories, lots of pencils in here, some tape, a money pile, something that my husband probably stole out of a hotel, a little hand cream. Okay, now that we're done, I'm just gonna give my drawer a good clean out and then we're ready to start putting the things back in. Put my drawer liners back in. Now, once we come to this stage, this is the part that you're going to use a little tiny bit of measuring to get your drawer organized. Instead of just putting all of these things back in, I'm going to get a couple of organizing dividers and boxes to arrange all the things that I'm going to put into my drawer. Let's say the drawer is 27.5 inches by 18 inches deep. I'm gonna go online to wherever you like to buy containers. I love to use the Container Store, and then narrow down the type of drawer dividers I wanna use, and then I'll just start sketching them in to see what it is that I wanna commit to. In my kitchen, in this instance, I found these really beautiful bamboo colored drawer dividers inserts, and so I went for those because they just go so beautifully with my countertop. Here you can see all this really pretty gold veining, and then here as well with my hardware. So that's how I decided what I was gonna use inside my drawer. So here are the beautiful bamboo colored containers that I selected, and let me show you how I'm going to arrange these into the drawer after I sketched them out to fit all the different things in this junk drawer. And I know these are gonna fit because I measured out my drawer and then measured the container size and like a little puzzle, put it together. And if you're not good at puzzles, get someone in your family who is good at puzzles to help you. And I'm not really worried about, are the candles gonna go in here and the coins in here? Once this is set up, I'll figure out what can go where. And now that I've done this, I am going to use one of these expansion dividers just to create a little bit of space so I have room for all those books. Okay, there's one. And then I'm going to add one more a couple of inches away. So that'll give me room to put long objects like scissors, books, catalogs, things that need a little bit more space than these dividers might be able to offer. So I left this large section here for all my books. So we can start with this Instant Pot quick reference guide. And then here's our little grocery store laundry list, checklist, honey-do list, everything goes in there. We've got 2 more notebooks just in case. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put these books in here. already starting to look good. This is my longest box right here. So I'm gonna use this for pens and pencils. And as you're measuring your boxes, I would definitely recommend getting one at least this long for your pencils and pens, which is around 9 inches long. So your pens and pencils can fit. See if this money will fit back here. Sure does. So now going forward, everyone will know where to put loose change. So there you have it. Easy as 1, 2, 3, almost. So just to recap, make sure you pull everything out of your drawer. It's very difficult to organize a mess inside of the mess. Once you do, group it all and get rid of the things that don't belong in the drawer and or are just trash. After that, measure and map out a couple of different styles of container layouts. Select one, they're all gonna be great. Don't overthink it, just select one, insert your containers, and then organize away. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to follow us and subscribe. And then when you're done, head over to the blog, my blog, where you can sign up to receive more amazing design tips. Till the next time we meet, keep filling your home with heart.